Small kitchen dwellers are a clever bunch, with no shortage of tricks up their shelves, to turn something on the small side into something on the more side. As their appetites awaken and inspiration ignites, they make use of the mighty to cook smarter, not harder. Never compromising on quality, they dice, slice, shred, and much more. A lack of counter space won't get in the way of perfecting the petite and making the cramped feel cozy. Of all their tricks, one stands tall-ish to make small kitchen dwellers reign supreme, with less to clean. For your daily dishes and your future meals, you're a touch away from mastery with Sage. Live large, go small with the Paradise 9.